Mountain View, this is Vista Flight 5309.
That's weird, no signal.
Let me try another channel. Mountain View, this is Vista Flight 5309. Please come in.
I don't see any light. Maybe they're in the restroom?
Yeah, but it's a big airport and, you know, there's more than one person in the tower, so it shouldn't be dark.
Oil pressure's down too. We're low on fuel.
All right, Mountain View, this is Vista Flight 5309. Please come in. We are running low on fuel.
What's our altitude?
We are at 30,000 and we need to go down to 20,000 if we're going to make this runway.
Try them again.
All right. Mountain View, this is Vista Flight 5309. Please come in. Nothing.
This is so messed up.
Will you shut up? You're gonna get us caught. Someone shut him up before he gets us killed.
Someone needs to help him.
I'm with him. Shut that guy up before he gets us all killed.
What happened?
You need to be quiet.
What the hell is going?
I don't have time to explain, but you need to be quiet. If you don't shut up, we are all going to die.
What the?
Can you walk?
Hello?
Captain, the passengers are beginning to wonder why we haven't landed yet. Can you make an announcement?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, Captain.
Hey, John, the passengers want us to make an announcement.
Okay, I'll take care of it. Please prepare for landing. Fasten the seatbelt lights will be illuminated.
Flight
attendants,
5309 requesting land clearance.
We need to land right now.
Okay.
Prepare. Flaps.
It's a plane.
Boy, it's really dark out there. I don't see anybody.
Yeah, this is weird. This is really weird.
Well, let's shut down.
There's no staircase out there.
Doesn't seem to be much of anything out there.
It's out there. It's going to the plane.
Oh, I think I have a flashlight. For what? Are you going out there?
Okay, everyone, please remain seated while we get the doors open so before we could disembark.
Oh no! They're going to open the door.
I think they're trying to communicate with us. Morse code? People still use that? Military and computer people. Which are you?
What are you? It's SOS.
So please wait till it's...
They killed them both. They never had a chance. We're never getting out of here.
Look, they're responding.
Don't. There's something out there.
What the hell just happened? Did you see that? What was that?
It just killed them.
It didn't even eat them.
Tina,
What? I'm just saying.
be respectful. People are. What are you doing?
What are you two talking about?
They gave an SOS, and I'm asking for a sit rep.
A sit what?
What they say?
There's 6 survivors. Everyone else is dead.
Dead? What is happening?
What are they saying? There are 6 of them left. They want to know what is doing this.
So do I.
Where is it?
There it is, on top of the plane.
We need to get off of there.
But they're safe in there.
No, we need to save the plane.
Why?
Because I can fly inside of here.
How are we supposed to get out there? You can't even walk.
Get me out there, I can fly inside of here.
They have a pilot. They're gonna try to get out here and...
Get out here. Did they see what happened to Captains John and Scott?
We have to try.
They'll die.
We're all going to die if we sit here.
I agree. We have to find a way to help them out.
Okay, so they're going to help us. They need to know what the plan is, but we have to get that thing off the plane.
What is that?
It's a food service car.
Are the keys in it?
Should be. It's used by lots of people, so they just leave the keys in it.
Okay, so what, we all just go in there and ride out? That thing will jump on us.
He's right. We need a distraction.
They have a cart that will get them out here, but they need a distraction.
What did they expect us to do? Have that thing chase us?
They're risking everything to get a pilot out here. The least we could do is help them.
So what? One of us has to be the sacrificial lamb.
I wish it would just stop. Ask them what is around us.
What are you...
Ask them if there's anything we can use as a distraction. We can open the doors to look, so we're pretty much blind in here.
Okay, somebody go look out the cockpit windows and see if you can see anything.
We'll go.
Wait, we need to get an inventory of the supplies we have in hand.
I'll go with her.
Wait. I'll be right back.
Look for supplies.
It's so dark.
Yeah, I've been to airports all over the country, but I've never seen anything like this.
So what are we looking for exactly? Because I can't see anything.
We need a way to get them out here.
Why don't we just go pick them up?
What?
When on the ground, isn't a plane just a big car?
That's actually a good idea. I suppose you know how to fly a plane.
They have a pilot.
Oh.
You better get flashing.
Get some paper and something to write with.
They're flashing again.
What the? What are they saying? They want directions to start the plane. They're just gonna leave us here? No, they're going to come pick us up.
Dave, we need your help.
Has anybody got a pen?
Let's go. Tina, this is your idea. Okay, everyone, buckle up.
Why we're not...
Fine, don't. But this is the biggest thing I've ever driven, and I'm not making any promises. What about you?
You heard the man. Buckle up.
You did it! They're coming for us!
Well, where did it go? I don't know, I think they didn't scoop it. Maybe we can use that.
What do you mean?
I'm gonna go grab that service car. Maybe the entrance is book it. We can use it to our advantage.
You can't. That's too dangerous.
I don't see any other options. Let's check. Sorry. It's coming.
What the hell are you doing? Get us out of here!
The pilot is dead.
How do you expect us to take off?
Drive! Like she said, it's a big car!
I'd like to see this thing get on the freeway.
I'm not getting any reception. Where is everybody? Where?